Hello, valued users. I'm representing the technical support team at Crypto Flash. Today, I'll introduce you to our unique software for flash mining USDT. To get a one-day test access, follow these steps. 1. Follow the link to our official Telegram bot. Select the program and follow the instructions. Software installation. 1. Download the Crypto Flash archive. 2. Unpack the archive, where you'll find a text file with a password in the installer. Run the installer and enter the password from the text file to activate the program. Launching the program. Launching Crypto Flash is simple. You need to select your mining power and enter your Tron wallet address. Why choose Crypto Flash? Our software is unique and offers a lifetime license with lifetime support for just $1,500. Follow the link to test or purchase our product. Beware of scams. Be cautious of scammers and counterfeits. Purchase only from official representatives. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, our technical support team is always ready to assist.